Dear listener, welcome back to the 111 Tips for Learning a Language. This is episode 90, and today we will explore how affirmations, which are basically positive, intentional phrases, can guide your mind and heart into a calm and confident state for learning a language. Affirmations are more than just words. Psychology research shows that self-affirmation practices reduce stress, improve problem solving, and increase resilience under pressure. Neuroscience also tells us that repeating positive self-talk activates brain reward pathways, and when brain reward pathways are activated, your motivation and persistence are strengthened. So, when you consciously or subconsciously affirm your study state of mind before and after studying, you are not only calming anxiety, but you are also training your brain to expect success. Here are 10 language study affirmations. You may speak these gently, write them in your journal, or note them with deep awareness before practice. My mind is open, calm, and focused. It is safe for me to make mistakes. Mistakes help me grow. My memory is strong, and my recall improves each day. I enjoy the rhythm and sound of my target language. With every breath, I grow calmer and more focused. I am building fluency step by step with kindness to myself. Speaking this language connects me to my higher self, new people, and new cultures. I trust and learn at my own pace, and I am comfortable setting my own pace. I am proud of every effort I make. I do not compare myself with others. Here is a calming meditation to begin before studying. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and take 3 slow, deep breaths. Place your hand over your heart. Feel its rhythm. Say softly to yourself, I am here. I am calm and safe. I am ready to expand my language. Then breathe in slowly, and on the exhale, repeat the affirmation that resonates with you the most. My favorite is, my mind is open, calm, and focused. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes until your body feels settled, your mind steady, and therefore you are ready to begin. After studying, try a gentle meditation to end. Close your book or device. Place your hands gently on your lap. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, and let go of any pressure. Whisper to yourself, I am grateful for what I learned today. I am satisfied and calm. Repeat 3 affirmations that celebrate your effort. I did enough today and a little more than just enough to get a head start for tomorrow. My learning enriches my mind and my life. I am becoming fluent step by step. I enjoy and appreciate my learning process. Sit quietly for a few breaths, letting gratitude and deep peace settle into your body. Closing thought. Affirmations are not magic. They are reminders. Yet they gently train your mind to replace fear with confidence and to replace stress with calm and focus. Paired with short meditations before and after studying, affirmations create rhythm of calm opening and peaceful closing. So every study session begins with intention and ends with gratitude. Dear listener, may your words to yourself be as kind as the words you are learning. Until the next time, I wish you inspired breath, peaceful practice, and affirmations that will carry you into fluency and deep peace. Namaste.